Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all friends, students, and viewers. Today, our topic is isolated system. There are different type of systems: mutually interacting system, isolated system, open system. Now, we will discuss isolated system. First, we define isolated system: a group of mutually interacting bodies such that they exert force on another but no external force act upon them, then for they form an isolated system. According to this definition, when a system consists in different particles, different atoms containing in such type of container, there is no external force, external interference of any other things, is called isolated system. A system in which only containing atoms interact with one another but no external effect on this system, this type of system is called isolated system. Then we try to understand the concept of isolated system with the common and easiest example. For example, a container, glass container, in which atoms are contained. This is, for example, this is an ideal gas at constant temperature. For example, the internal temperature of this container is 100 degrees centigrade, and this is isolated container. It means there is no external effect of environment on this container. In this container, the gas molecules contain and they move randomly and collide with the walls of container and with one atom with another atom. And there is no external effect on this. It is a constant pressure, constant temperature, and this is sealed container. Air, temperature, or any other things cannot be able to enter in this container. Only internal existing things collide or interact with each other, but no any external force or any external things enter in this container. This type of container is known as isolated container. ISO means same, isolated system. This is a system in which there is no any other external effect affected on this container, and only internal gas molecules interact with one another, with each other, or with the walls of a container. This is known as isolated system.